Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to watch FIFA World Cup 2026 live in United Kingdom. So the first thing that we are going to do is to open our browser. So once you open your browser, here are the streaming services that we can use to watch FIFA World Cup 2026 live. So we have here BBC One, BBC Two, ITVX, and so on and so forth. Now, let's say, for example, that we want to use ITVX as our streaming platform. So what we're going to do here is to open another tab and then just type ITVX and then click on enter. After that, you will see their website. So you just have to click on it. And then once you click on it, what you're going to do there is to just sign in into your account. And then once you've signed in into your account, you'll now be able to actually watch FIFA World Cup right here, which is in this part. So if you click on it, all you have to do is to just wait for them to start streaming. And then once you do that, you should now be able to watch it right there. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. That would be much appreciated. And that is basically it.